2024 Whitby Morrison show. Thursday the 10th of October. Just give you a quick rundown of some of the vans here today. So here we've got the Heritage Collection, got the Bedford HA, we've got the Lions Maid, Lord Nelson, got this one here. Here we got Alan Super Whip, and over here the electric vans. ePower by Whitby Morrison, another ePower. Got Walls ice cream van here, and here, biggest ice cream van ever built by Whitby Morrison. Absolute beauty, this one. Look at that, absolutely massive. And then going over to the third row over here, we've got Crewe, got Mercedes here, and this one here we've got Mr. Whippy.
Oh no, with this one more in on this.
Got that one there. Got the Amalfi Rocket van there. We got this one here. And then finally, my most favourite ice cream van, Bedford CF1. That's all of the ice cream vans here today at the Whitby Morrison show. There you have it. Here we are in the Lord Nelson ice cream van at the Whitby Morrison show today. 6-litre freezer. You can see inside there. You've got the hand washing sink here. And yeah, very lovely van. Here we are in the vintage Bedford HA ice cream van at Whitby Morrison. All in all, very lovely clean van. We've got 4-litre freezer, you can see inside there. Your hand washing sink here, ice cream scoop here, a little plug there in the drain. Here's the details of the van. Make, Bedford HA, model, Cummins Batman. You can see there's a driver's seat. Very lovely, very old fashioned. So yeah, here I am in one of the new electric ice cream vans at Whitby Morrison. So we've got the pizza machine there, and this one here, it's got the Carillon chime box. So here we are in another ice cream van at the Whitby Morrison show. As you can see, this one here is fitted with the new Carillon 3-tune chime. And as you can see here, really lovely van. Got 8-litre freezer at the end here. It's really nice, smells lovely. You've got your chillers in here, which open like that. And it's got a repeater machine. And yeah, here we are in another ice cream van here. You can see another Carillon chime box. Unfortunately, the van is switched off, so I can't play the chimes on this one. But all in all, another really lovely van. It's got another 8-litre freezer here. Inside there, nice and brand new, smells lovely. You got your chiller in there. Another one here. And it's got repeat the machine. And yeah, another really lovely brand new ice cream van built by Whitby Morrison. It's got ceiling fan there. But yeah, absolutely lovely. So there you have it. Slippery. Here's Marco Reed's Mr. Really Good stall.